Hi, welcome back for my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about the creation of contour lines and surface in Civil3D. The process of converting AutoCAD points to Kogo points in Civil3D was covered in my previous tutorial. If you are interested in learning more, please visit my channel or refer to the link provided in the video description. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel for future updates. First, you need to create a point group. This means grouping together all the points that you intend to use for generating contour lines or creating a surface. Consolidating these points into a single group ensures accurate and efficient surface generation. Click the Include button. Then, select what you want to do grouping. Then, you need to create the new surface. Open the plus button beside the created new surface. Also open the plus button of the definition. Then, right-click on the point group and click the Add button. Choose the point group you just created. Then, apply and OK. You will see the contour lines, and you can adjust the contour lines intervals. If you want to see in 3D view, click on the contours, then click the Object Viewer. Then, you can play around the 3D view. I hope you find this video informative and that it enhances your experience with Civil3D. If you found the content valuable, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.